Unit 8, Lesson 6 test. Number 1. In which of the following parts of the solar system are most long-period comets likely to be located? A. The Oort cloud. B. Crossing Earth's orbit. C. In the orbits of Jupiter and Neptune. Number 2. Between the orbits of which two planets is the asteroid belt located? A. Earth and Mars. B. Mars and Jupiter. C. Saturn and Jupiter. Number 3. Which of the following is a small, irregularly shaped body made of rock or organic material that orbits the Sun? A. Comet. B. Asteroid. B. Meteorite. Number 4. People sometimes talk about seeing shooting stars. What do they actually see? A. A meteoroid traveling through space. B. A star that is moving through the galaxy. C. A meteoroid that burns up in the Earth's atmosphere. Number 5. The object shown here is composed of rock, dust, water, ice, and other frozen substances. Which object is shown? A. A comet. B. An asteroid. C. A meteorite. Number 6. Of the following bodies that orbit the Sun, which body has the fastest orbital speed? A. A Kuiper belt object. B. A comet as it nears the Sun. C. A dwarf planet between Mars and Jupiter. Number 7. What is the Oort cloud made up of? A. Trillions of comets. B. Dwarf planets and meteoroids. C. Some comets and many asteroids. Number 8. Which of these objects is located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter? A. The Kuiper belt. B. The Oort cloud. C. The asteroid belt. Number 9. Pluto is mainly composed of which materials? A. Ice and rock. B. Hydrogen and helium. C. Liquid water and rock. Number 10. Where is the Oort cloud located? A. Between the Sun and Mercury. B. Within the asteroid belt. C. Beyond the orbit of Pluto. Number 11. Where is the Kuiper belt located? A. Outside the orbit of Neptune. B. Between the orbits of Earth and Mars. C. Between the orbits of Neptune and Jupiter. Number 12. Ceres, Pluto, and Eris are all dwarf planets. In what order would you put them in the list from the slowest to the fastest orbital speed? Hint, remember Kepler's law. A. Eris, Pluto, Ceres. B. Pluto, Ceres, Eris. C. Ceres, Pluto, Eris. Number 13. What is a meteoroid which strikes the Earth's surface called? A. A meteoroid. B. A meteor. C. A meteorite. 14. What is the nucleus of a comet composed of? A. Ice, rock, and metal. B. Hydrogen and helium. C. Uranium and plutonium. Number 15. Which way does the ion tail of a comet point as it approaches the Sun? A. Comets don't have ion tails, asteroids do. B. The ion tail always points away from the Sun. C. The ion tail always points toward the Sun.